We are back at it again here with another video with the Invest for Tomorrow. To the first time viewers and investors, welcome to the channel. To all subscribers, welcome back. All I ask for returns is to smash that like button, tell them when you watch this video. Helps out the YouTube channel and lets me know you appreciate the time and effort I put into making these videos. So here we are with Muln stock pulling downwards even further beyond than yesterday's lows. And we're going to talk about some key levels today, but it was not the only stock falling. The overall market in the SPY fell as well. And our SPY bot at 12:35 p.m. sent us out a bear indicator. And from that moment forward, put options went up 150% plus within minutes, guys. And this is our new release that allows us to have an edge within the volatility of the markets in either direction. And you can now join the members using these resources to maximize on the opportunities in both directions as well by receiving that clarity and edge over the charts. So here we are with Muln stock pulling downwards, and we're going to break it all down. But before we do, I want to share with you guys the home run opportunity that was mentioned this morning by one of our bots over at the Discord. So the home run of the day was not one of the stocks I mentioned this morning. The stocks I mentioned this morning gave small jumps of 3 to 5%, 5 to 10%. But our home run today turned out to be our Tesla bot. And if you want to receive this edge and have this clarity over the charts and know what stocks we're watching every single morning early on in the pre-market, check out the link down below in the description to the Discord. Gets you connected to the 42 Vision indicator and also our SPY bot, Tesla bot, and QQQ bot. And you'll become part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together. And we strive for opportunities like these every single day. So our Tesla bot sent out a bear indicator at 11:25 a.m. And this is how it performed. So it actually jumped up a little bit, and then the rest of the day continued downwards, and the Tesla bot sent it at 11:25 a.m. and put options were up 200% plus in minutes, guys. If you guys want to gain this access to have this edge and know what stocks we're watching early on in the pre-market, check out the link down below in the description to the Discord and 42 Vision indicator. We look forward to having you join us, and we strive for opportunities like these every single day. Let's jump into these charts. So here we are with Muln stock, as I stated earlier in the video, pulling downwards, and we're going to pull up Ultimate 42 Vision, the bull and bear indicators, which you can now gain access to as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 Vision indicator, getting connected to the SPY bot, the QQQ bot, our newly released Tesla bot, and we have other bots on the way so that you can receive the clarity and edge that you deserve within the volatility of the markets to maximize on opportunities. And you can now join the members using these resources, maximizing in either direction by receiving that clarity and edge over the charts. So here we are with Muln stock. It was under a bear indicator, and it had a short-lived pre-market bull indicator yesterday and quickly switched over to a bear indicator on the 30-minute and has been falling since. If you look at the overall market, it did the same thing yesterday. Short-lived bull indicator, a lot of volatility, short-lived bull indicator, and it has been under a bear indicator today again, breaking to newer lows. So super important when you look at this that it's not just these penny stocks moving like this, right? It's not just one sector in the market. It's the whole entire market having a big pullback. So super important to also keep that in mind. If there's just one slight drop of bullishness in the overall markets, a lot of stocks are going to quickly turn around. Now, could they turn out to be fake outs like this one right here and then have a continuation to the downside? As an example, if tomorrow things go back up and things are still bearish, maybe yes. But there is going to be a point where the inflection point on CPI data, inflation, and all the worries and bearishness might end and things can turn around really fast. But for now, in the volatility, having this clarity and this edge will matter to be able to see the dips and the rips, and within the small moves of 5 to 10%, 10 to 20% plus, there's an opportunity to the upside or to the downside. That's just my opinion alone, not financial advice, but I have seen it over the years. And when volatility kicks in, like I've stated in this whole entire last 5 months of this year, that volatility isn't going anywhere. It is here to stay. So, and that's what we've seen. So super important. So here we are. MULN stock, when you zoom out, we're in the 81 cent range right now, 80 cents at a key support level, which is 70 cents, slightly below that, right? Super important to watch that. If that gets broken through, it would be the 52-week low of 52 cents to 50 cents, give or take, the next support level. But below this is 70 cents. Now, to the upside, we want to see this break back above $1. I think that is a key resistance level, and in the process, bringing itself back up, canceling out this bear indicator, and getting a bull indicator on the upward trend. Super important to also see that in the 30-minute. Now, if you look at the 1 day and the 4 hour, right, you could see that we've been under a bear indicator since $2.50, and things have consolidated here where they were trying to get some strength, but no bull indicator or strong reversal popped up to negate this bear indicator, and things have continued to the downside, and we've known since $2.50. Now, on the 1 day though, this has been under a bear indicator since $2.30. When it was curvaturing here, it was super important to realize that we had not completed the full shift, right? Because with 42 vision, white with red borders is the dip area and bright green is the rip area. And we went from bright green all the way to red, and the last piece of the puzzle here would be white with red borders. If we ever touch that, we had hit the dip area of extreme weakness, and it's definitely a level to start watching. But we also talked about how this was curvaturing and holding itself up, and if the markets could pull it up with it, right, and it held itself up here, did not break below the supports of 120, this may have some strength here where the bulls are going to try to reverse it back up, and hopefully if a bull indicator pops up to negate this bear indicator, we could see further strength. That's not what happened. It continued downwards, and it completed the full transition from the rip area to the dip area. This is a very important point to start watching the stock. Doesn't signify or guarantee anything, but we are in a dip area here at the 80 cent, and if we pull down towards 70 cent, it's going to be very important to watch it between 70 cents and the 52-week low. And again, this is not financial advice. These are my opinions alone, and we want to get back above $1 to see any real movement and strength in the overall chart. And to receive clarity within the charts, check out the link down below in the description to the 42 vision indicator, getting connected to the SPY bot, the QQQ bot, our newly released Tesla bot, and there's many more bots on the way to get connected to the Discord. It sends us direct notifications to give us that edge and clarity within the charts, and you can receive this edge and clarity that you deserve within the volatility of the markets to maximize on the opportunities, whether stocks are going up or going down. You can now gain access to these resources and join the members using these resources, receiving that edge and clarity within the volatility to the markets, whether stocks are jumping up, going down, bearish or bullish. No FOMO, no chasing, just focused on what really matters and maximizing within those moves. As always, guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make